Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Zycas Off-Campus Drive 2021. So guys, we will be discussing about job location, eligibility criteria, and definitely your salary will be 4 plus LPA. So this is not in the official website, but by our sources we got to know about, means approx you will get 4 to plus. So after that, now talking about your batches, so 2018 and 19 are eligible. So I must say to those students who are continuously sending me mails from last few months that sir please tell us about some 18 jobs 19 jobs. So guys, this is your surprise. So this is a good job. Zycas is a good company. And after that, talking about the batches, so 18 19 are eligible. So that means only very less competition will be there, means 18 and 19, because there are only 5% of the students, or to 5 to 10% of the students who did not get the job, which are from 17 18, and some are from 19 also. So we will be discussing each and everything in detail, and if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. And in addition to it, we have, as we told you in our initial videos, that we have started a government private job alert series in which we provide you 2 to 3 videos on daily basis. Plus we have also started the preparation strategy for the students, that is definitely free of cost, no charges will be taken from students. And plus we are providing the preparation strategy videos. For example, we started from Global Edge. After that, TCS Smart Hiring, we have prepared, I think, more than 20 videos, and almost all the topics have been covered in detail. After that, now talking about the Infosys also, so we have covered a lot of things in Infosys within 5 days videos only. So guys, when there is any of the exam like mass hiring exam, so definitely we are here for your preparation strategies. Now talking about your TCS NQT, that will be happen in, I think, in November and your August. Yes, November and August. So guys, students are asking me and commenting me that sir please provide some preparation videos and tell some tips and tricks to crack the NQT. So definitely guys, the preparation videos which we have already prepared for TCS NQT, that is your smart hiring NQT, the exam occurred on 6th and 7th and 13th June. So guys, on those videos we have done only the NQT preparations. Do not confuse with TCS smart hiring and TCS NQT your August or November. So the videos are same, because in your TCS smart hiring also cognitive exam was there, and in the same also in your TCS NQT August and November cognitive exam will be there. So guys, both the videos or the preparation strategy is same. We will also, do not worry, we will also provide some of the tips and tricks before the exam, and we will also add some of the videos, so do not worry about that at all. But initially you have to start, because there are 20 plus videos, and in each and every video I think we have provided some of the homeworks also. And we urge the students that whenever you did the question from our videos, then after that you have to do 4 to 5 questions of the same type. Because guys, you also know, within 7 to 8 days, like within 7 to 8 days, no one can prepare anything, I know, because that is the last time. And students are bit nervous that can we crack or whatever these are some of the doubts and the nervousness from the students. So guys, we have prepared in such a way that we have covered almost all the topics from which are asked from the TCS. If I talk about standard deviation, variance, mean, median, mode, everything, so mean like these are some of the different topics. So we have covered each and everything, but I suggest you that after doing the videos, please try 4 to 5 questions of all the types. So this is all about. So now talking about the Zycus also. So your Zycus off campus drive, as I told you, batch 18 19 is eligible, and salary, as I told you, 4 plus LP होने वाली है. And after that, your job location and eligibility criteria. So guys, we will be discussing each and everything. Watch the video till the end. So let's start now. So guys, as you can see on the screen, so we are on the official website of Zycus Cognitive Procurement. So guys, the position is of your test engineer, and definitely freshers are eligible. And in fact, it is for freshers also. So after that, now talking about your description. So I think you can see on the screen. So you can pause the video and read about the description. Now after that, wondering what you will be doing. So this is your work which you have to do while if you have been selected. So guys, you can read out these. So after that, now talking about your education background, so that will be BE from CS and IT, computer science IT. So guys, this is BE or BTech, that means BE and BTech are almost equal. So guys, now talking about some of the rumors, like if you will was other videos like of JICA. So the video or the YouTubers, what they did, they are telling that BSc is also eligible or BCA is also eligible. So guys, this is the official notification which I am presenting in front of you. So guys, you can see there, because they, what they did, they just completely show the screen of the third website from which they get the notifications, and you can see now the education background is of BE BTech from CS and IT. And I know many, I have also seen some of the videos, so in our thumbnails, also from the thumbnails. So I also got to know that BCA, BSc are eligible from computer. So guys, you can see and you can watch on the screen that is it really true. So I suggest you, please do not follow anyone blindly. So I'm requesting you, because it is your future. No one is going to pay if you did something wrong. So guys, this is all about. So now talking about your job location. So your job location will be your Mumbai and your Bangalore. After that, your eligibility is 18 and 19 pass outs. So guys, you can see there eligibility is 18 or 19 pass outs only. I think you got it, because some of the students after that commented that sir, it is 2020 or 2021 is eligible. So guys, you can see there they have already told you that only pass outs only. That means, some of the students commented us and in the comment section also that sir, I am from 2020 and 2021 and we have applied for KPIT and we got the link. So guys, they on every round do the eligibility check. That means you will be fired from any of the round. So whatever we told you, just you can trust us, do not worry. And I also suggest you that you have to verify with one or two more sources. So guys, now we're talking about your requirements. So you can watch on the screen skills and knowledge required to be successful in this role. So these are some of the your requirements or skills that just few I'll read it for you. So you can see, should have strong programming skills and automation mindset, should have solid understanding of testing principles and methodologies. So guys, you can read out this. You can see you can code at least one scripting or programming language, for example Java, JavaScript or TypeScript. So you guys, you can read out these things after pausing the video. Now talking about the benefits. So 5 reasons why you should join Zyka. So these are some of the good things about the company. So you can read out this also. So after that, this is your about us. So I mean, they have told about what Zykas is for and all those things. So you can read it there. Zykas is a pioneer in cognitive procurement software and has been a trusted partner of choice for large global enterprises for 2 decades. So guys, they just briefly told about themselves. So now after that, talking about your Zykas. So this is your official website, and from there you can apply. You can see there, this is your official, and this is your full-time job definitely. After that, you can see their application. You can autofill the application also after importing your resume. Or after that, you can, what you can do, you can provide your personal details like first name, last name, email, phone, after that address and profile and each and everything. And from there also you have to upload the resume. After that, what you have to tell, you have to tell your total experience if there is any, like there, please mention fresher if you do not have any experience. That means you have to write there fresher. And after that, your current company. So you can see there, please mention fresher if you don't have any experience. That means if you are fresher, you have to write there fresher, there also fresher. After that, you can see what is your specialization, for example BEIT. That means if you are BEIT or BECS, so the format should be like this: BE and score and IT. So after that, now talking about have you done any project, certification, internship experience in JavaScript or your TypeScript? So you have to do yes and no. And after that, your notice period, mean what time you required to join if you get selected. So after that, your current CTC, and after that your expected CTC, and this is your location, current location. And these are all the things you can see there. These are your qualifications, year of passing, and what is your college name, what is your university name. So each and everything, and after that you have to submit from there. So guys, this is the complete details we have covered about Zyka. So if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. So guys, this is all about, we covered about Zyka. So we are coming with a new video also. So please wait and stay tuned, and also subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and press bell icon also, so that if there is any notification, definitely you will get it earlier. So guys, this is all for today. We have covered about Zyka. So if there is anything, you can tell us in a comment section. So guys, and in addition to it also, let me tell you some additional information. So guys, we have started a Telegram groups also. We have 3 Telegram groups. So we have mentioned each and everything, like one is of your government private job alerts about the channel, after that your TCS smart hiring, and after that one more is of Infosys exam. So guys, if you want to join any of the Telegram, then you are most welcome. We will provide the link in the description, and the apply link you will also get it in the description. So do not worry about it, and you do not have to go anywhere from our channel. So guys, this is all about, and all the best. And one more thing guys, if you have completed the Zomato test, or you have not done it, because the CTC is of 10 LPA, 10 lakh per annum. So guys, this is a handsome salary, 70 to 80,000 you are going to get as a fresher. So guys, I suggest you, if you have not given it or not watched our video, so please go and watch the video, because tomorrow is the last date, means up to 26 you can give the exam on the spot, means while when you will fill your details, so after that you have to give the exam on the spot. And we have also discussed about the questions and how to tackle the exam. So guys, this is all about. If you have not watched, go and watch the videos. So Jai Hind and all the best, and God bless you all.